Morning, everybody. I'm gonna go out here and take a look at the goats and the chickens real quick. Then I'm gonna take and show you my old tractor I got. It's a pretty cool old tractor. Chiro. What are you doing, Chiro? There's all the girls. There's Chiro. There's our newest one down there. That's Roxy. This is Maya. That's Lily Bell. I turn the chickens loose in the pasture every morning. They're out there. That's the girls out enjoying themselves. They like being out here. Up there's the new buck pen we're building. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily girl. There's Charo and Maya. That's Roxy there. They can go out into the pasture and eat anytime they want. But I keep hay to them. I'm not really happy with the hay we got last year. It's okay, but there's a lot of stems in it, and they don't like the stems that much, and can't say I blame them. But I think this year I'm going to search for a little better quality hay. If any of y'all have suggestions, you might get a little bit of Timothy, orchard grass, alfalfa, and it's expensive. I think right now alfalfa grass, if you buy it from like the feedlot or somewhere like that, you're going to pay, I think, around $11 a bale. If you pick it up out of the field, you might be able to get it for $7 around here, $8. So I don't know what it runs in your area. It'd be interesting to know. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what it's running in your part of the area and where you're from. Anyway, I'm gonna pull the old tractor out here and I'm gonna let you have a look at it, see what it looks like. This is my old Ferguson tractor. It's a TO35, but this thing, I hadn't been on it for quite a while, and I went in there, choked it, give it a little fuel, and she fired right up. She's really a good old tractor. Let's see, usually first time every time, but we used the tractor a lot back before we built the house. Matter of fact, when the cabin was here by itself, we would come down, pull out the bush hog, and bush hog about 3 acres here. So it's been a real help to us. I'm gonna go down just below the apple trees and the peach trees and stuff, and there's just a small strip down there I bush hog now. So I'm gonna go down and cut that, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, before I go down there, don't forget we're going to give you a quick update on the greasing the bird feeder pole. So stick around for that. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you the 1954, I got thinking about it, it's a 1954 TO35 Ferguson. And I just wanted to show you that and what I used to do with it. I used to mow the whole hillside here. We didn't have any trees at the time, and it was pretty rough. And this area here is pretty rough. I had to be careful because we have some huge boulders that are sticking out of the ground, which we're going to take care of hopefully this fall. But anyway, that's it for the day. I wanted to show you a quick glimpse of the goats and the chickens and the old tractor we got. I really love this thing. It does a great job, and if they made tractors like this today, most of them would be out of business because they last forever. Anyway, that's it. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you later.